Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram with Facebook. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And then right here, you need to tap on settings and privacy. Now, as you can see, the settings and privacy, you need to tap on account center. And then right over here, you can see the Meta account center. So if you want to add more accounts like on Facebook, you just tap on connected experiences. So right here, you have an option to add accounts. So tap on add accounts, which is the color blue font right over there. So tap on that and select the account that you want to add. So we just want to add Facebook account. So you just tap on this one. And then here to enable connected experiences, add these accounts to the same account center. So you just tap on this continue button at the bottom right over here. So here finish adding your accounts. So yes, finish adding. So just wait for a few seconds. And finally, your Instagram is connected on your Facebook account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.